Hello. So today it's a miserable day. It's last week of December. It's lashing it down with rain outside, and it's perfect weather for some nice comfort food in the shape of Sussex honey and apple pudding, which is my all-time favourite pudding and very easy to make. All you need is some apples, somewhere between 500 or 600 grams when they're chopped up and peeled, some breadcrumbs, honey, ground cinnamon. That's for the lovely appley layer at the bottom, and then there's a topping made from ground almonds, brown sugar and butter, and one of my lovely chickens in the gardens, eggs. Okay, first job is to peel and chop up the apples just into chunks. They can be any old size and shape, it really doesn't matter because they're all going to be cooked into a lovely gooey appley mush anyway. So let's get going. So, apples chopped, just chuck in a couple of tablespoons of water and then honey. I usually put about 4 tablespoons in, but it really is up to you, and I'm not measuring it very accurately, as you can see. Just love honey. This is from local Sussex bees. Oh, look at that. Okay, that'll do. Lovely. Okay, so this then just, don't want to waste the honey. This just goes in the microwave until it's all gone soft. I reckon it'll probably take about 6 minutes. Look at that. Really bubbly. Ooh, it's hot. So, next step is sprinkle on the breadcrumbs. Then as much cinnamon as you like, which is quite a lot in my case. And then you just squish the apples a bit. Should be soft enough that it just breaks down to a kind of puree. Doesn't matter if there's a few lumps left in it. Yeah, lovely. Now we pop that as the bottom layer in this dish. Ooh. Beautiful, appley goodness. Okay, now we just need to wash this up to make the topping in. For the topping, first step is melt the butter. So that was 75 grams. Then I'm just going to stick that in the microwave for about 30 seconds. There we go, melted butter. So then we mix in the sugar. So it's 100 grams of soft brown sugar, 100 grams of ground almonds, preferably European rather than American. They grow them with far fewer pesticides in Europe, so far as I can find out. And mix that up a bit. And we just crack the egg in. There we go, and then we just spread it over the top. And let me do this where you can see it better. Oh, there we go. Just going to get a better spreading implement. Now, where's the spatula when you want it? Oh, there we go. Waste not, want not. It might look like a bit of a sludgy mess at this point, but bear with me. It's going to be amazing. Okay, so I'm not going to win any prizes for presentation, but it'll taste good. That'll do. Tasty. Okay, now this just goes in the oven. 45 minutes at 180 degrees centigrade in a fan oven, or until it's kind of starting to brown on top and bubble around the edges. Oh, that smells good. Let me show you up close if I can. Look at that. Can you hear it bubbling away? Yum. So you can serve it up as it is. You can have it with custard, which is probably my favourite. I do love puddings with custard, but I don't have any custard today. It's we've just got vanilla ice cream, which does the job very nicely. It's going to be absolutely scorching because it's straight out of the oven. Get on there. There we go. Look at that. Okay, I'm going to burn myself trying to eat this straight out of the oven, but too good to wait. Oh, it's so good. Honestly, I love puddings and I've eaten a lot of pudding over the years, but this really is the absolute best. Love it. So if you want any more amazing videos like this to get reminders or whatever, then do remember to hit the subscribe button, which is just down there somewhere. All right, next time, take care.